Hey guys, this is Monkey Soldier. Today, we are going to see the life story of Anthony. Anthony is an 18-year-old boy. He has just started his college life. One day, Anthony is walking through a food street.
What a nice smell. I will send this smell to the brain. Oh, this smells tasty.
All right, time to digest this food.
Wait a minute. This food contains very high sugar. Insulin levels are rising fast.
This excess sugar has nowhere to go. I am converting it into fat.
Within a few days, Anthony becomes addicted to junk food. One day, Anthony goes to a party.
Hey, just try smoking and drinking. Only once. Enjoy the party.
This smoke is dangerous. It paralyzes my cleaning system. I am slowly suffocating.
Alcohol is poison to me. My cells are dying, and I cannot fully regenerate.
Years pass. Anthony is now addicted.
I want dopamine. Drink more, smoke more. I need pleasure.
Stop! Please stop! I am getting weaker! I cannot continue!
One fine morning, the sun rises, but Anthony does not wake up. Doctors said only one word: addiction.